Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Jaguar E-Type Series 1 from KK Scale Diecast. This is a limited edition model and is 1 out of 500 pieces. The car is well protected in this styrofoam box. The car looks really beautiful in this red color. The headlights and the indicators are really well detailed and you can see all the bulbs inside them. The chrome elements in the front also look really nice. The Jaguar logo here is a decal but still looks good. The grille is also really well detailed but it is really difficult to see under low light. The wire mesh wheels look really nice and I think the spokes are photo-etched and it can roll freely and has working suspension and is also steerable. The door handle is really nice. The rear wheels also can roll freely and have working suspension. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps look really nice and are really well detailed and you can see the different bulbs in it. There is the E-Type license plate and you can see the reverse light and the exhaust tips under it. The Jaguar logo on the boot lid is a decal. And this is the right side of the car. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster and the different buttons on the dashboard. The steering wheel is also really well detailed and the logo on the center is a decal and it also can be steered along with the front wheels. You can see the 3 pedals under the dashboard. The gear lever and the handbrake also look nice. And there's the seat and the door card. There's nothing much to see behind the seats, but the folded down soft top looks really nice. It also has a wrinkled appearance to it. The wipers, windshield and the windshield washer jets look really nice. And if you didn't know about it, the Jaguar E-Type has 3 wipers to cover the entire windshield. The IRVM is the only mirror on the car and it looks really nice and reflects really well. So here's the undercarriage and it has average detailing to it and you can see the steering mechanism in action here. The complete exhaust system is painted in silver. The shock absorber looks like the one found on the real car but it does not work and there is a separate spring behind the wheel that works. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.